Welcome to the Riverview Law Foundation Level Instruction and Triage Assistant. This assistant helps legal teams to quickly and easily manage the work coming into the function, plus the triage of it to the right team member. So how does it work? How does it provide one consistent gateway into legal? At its core is a simple model which sees a workflow comprising instruction management, triage, allocation to a legal team member, legal case opening, and legal case close. As either a business user or a legal administrator, I click the Instruction and Triage Assistant button. To make it easy for me to remember this case, I type in a shortcut reference. I am then presented with a standard New Case instruction form. In the professional version, many of these fields are pre-populated, but in this example, I complete the required fields. I then select the work type from a pre-configured globally applicable list. I then add the priority level, the reason for the priority level, plus any further instructions. I can then attach any relevant documents so that the legal team has full instructions. I simply select the appropriate document and upload it. This document then appears in the screen as an attachment. Before final submission of the request for legal support, I can preview the instructions to make sure that they are correct. If they are, I can submit them. Having submitted the instructions, this screen shows the case in triage with a current activity, a status of case awaiting allocation. By selecting the case, the individual responsible for allocating it to a team member is in the triage workflow. From here, I can see the request summary, which shows a complete record of the instructions, including any attachments. This enables me to review the case before allocating it to a team member. By selecting Case Management, I can triage the case to a team member. I simply select the person to allocate it to. These individuals will have been set up at commencement by our Customer Service Centre, and press Submit. As can be seen from this screen, the current activity, the status of the case, is now Case Allocated. The matter would now be handled in the normal way, and when concluded, the case would be closed. This workflow automatically generates very valuable data. All our virtual assistants have comprehensive dashboards so that you have the live and trend data that enables you to make better and quicker decisions. For our Instruction and Triage Assistant, there is an overview dashboard. This dashboard allows me to see total cases opened by month, cases opened by business unit, cases opened by work type, the average case length by work type, and the average case length by team member. The red, amber, and green color coding represents risk levels so that I can see the number of cases which are high, medium, or low risk. If I select an item in the bar chart, it allows me to drill down to see more granular data. Where relevant, all dashboards have this capability. This drill-down capability provides users with much greater insight into activity at all levels. To make sure that I can review what I want to look at, I can also filter the charts by all, live, or closed. This overview dashboard is designed to provide a comprehensive insight into what work is coming into the function, where it is coming from, what type of work it is, who was it allocated to, and how long did it take. From experience, we know how effective this information is in making sure that the right work is done by the right people, at the right time and in the right place, whether internally or by a third party. General Counsel, Heads of Legal and Chief Legal Operators have shared with us their desire to easily and quickly know what type of work their team is handling, where it has come from within their business, what its risk profile is, and how long it has taken to complete. The Instruction and Triage Assistant does all this and provides accurate data that enables in-house teams to plan and make sure that the right work is done by the right people, at the right quality, and at the right price, whether the work is undertaken in-house or by a third party.